Hey there, welcome back to Triplezon. If you are searching for the best body camera that delivers clear footage, long battery life, and reliable performance, you are in the right place. Today we are talking about a powerful and practical option built for serious use. Stick around as we explore everything it offers. Let's get started. The Boblov KJ25 body camera is designed to handle the real demands of modern law enforcement. It is built to capture important moments clearly and reliably, so nothing gets missed when it matters most. From daily patrols to critical situations, this camera focuses on delivering strong and dependable performance. First, let's talk about video quality. The Boblov KJ25 body camera records in full 1080p resolution. This means your footage looks sharp and detailed. Clear video is very important when documenting incidents because small details can make a big difference. Along with that, it supports 48-megapixel photo capture. So if you need to take still images, you get high-resolution pictures that are crisp and easy to examine later. Another powerful feature is its high-definition night vision. Low light conditions can be challenging, especially during night shifts. With the Boblov KJ25 body camera, you can still record clear and usable video even in dark environments. This helps ensure that important evidence is captured no matter the time of day. Battery life is also a big advantage here. The camera comes with a built-in 3000 mAh battery. It supports up to 13 hours of continuous recording. That is a full work shift for many users. You do not have to constantly worry about charging it during the day. You can focus more on your duties and less on your equipment. The body-worn design makes it very practical. The Boblov KJ25 body camera can be securely attached to the chest, giving you hands-free operation. Once it is clipped on, it stays steady and records from a natural first-person view. This perspective is important because it shows events exactly as they happen from the user's point of view. Even though it is compact, the camera feels solid and durable. It is made to handle different environments, whether you are patrolling outdoors or working indoors. Its small size makes it easy to carry, while its strong build gives confidence during daily use. Overall, the Boblov KJ25 body camera combines clear 1080p video, 48-megapixel photos, strong night vision, a long-lasting 3000 mAh battery with up to 13 hours of recording, a secure hands-free chest mount design, and a compact yet durable body. All these features work together to provide consistent and dependable video evidence whenever you need it. This could be the reliable recording partner you have been looking for. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Triplezon for more helpful product videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.